Happy spring, it's officially spring. Finally, we are here. Now today I want to talk to you how to make a really budget-friendly, super easy DIY spring home accent piece. Now this, I just used a piece of glass. I got this at Goodwill yesterday for 98 cents. You probably have some of these in your cupboard. An old mason jar, an old milk jar, anything like that would work. And I just wanted to kind of spice it up a little bit and give it a more of a unique look. So I really want to give it a dip paint look, and I want to focus on spring colors because it's spring. So I use the Martha Stewart acrylic paint collection, and it has all the spring colors, all the pastels, pink, yellow, blue. You can get it at Michael's. It's amazing, and it's Martha Stewart. Hello, Mama. Thank you. Anyway, I really want to show you guys how to use this. All you have to do is get a piece of glass, get your paintbrush, and a rubber band, and you're set. So, let's do it. Alrighty guys, so first step is to make sure that your vase or your glass piece is clean. So, I know half of y'all who got this out of the cabinet, it's got dust on it, right? So, wipe it off, rinse it out, do whatever you gotta do. Make sure it's clean and dry, okay? After that, second step is to take your rubber band, you're gonna put it onto your glass where you want your paint line to be. So I'm doing mine at an angle, so it looks like we kind of dipped it into the paint like this. Martha Stewart paint, acrylic craft paint. It's multi-surface, so it can be on glass, terracotta, lots of other things. So that works out perfect for us. Now, what I do is I just kind of take a little bit of this and squeeze it onto a paper plate. And then I've got my brush. So I will just, and then two, I don't get too fussy on the, so we can't see it, but on the brush strokes, because you know it's not going to be perfect. This is like just supposed to meant to be like a really fun accent to give more character. So I don't get too caught up in being able to see my brush strokes. I think it's kind of cool and gives it a little bit of texture actually to kind of just let it be. It'll be, it'll be, it'll be, baby, just let it be. Y'all know that song? It's been played about 86,000 times on the radio. You can hold it up to the light as well to see in what spot you need more paint. Let's see, be sure it's as even as you can. Or however you like it. And we'll leave it upside down to dry. Like this. Boop. Okay, boom, baby. There she is. Now, one step I wanted to explain to you really quickly was once your paint has dried, I usually let it set for 24 hours just in case it, I don't want to set it on a surface and it runs on anything. But clip your rubber band with scissors as opposed to rolling it off of the vase. And what this does is ensures that any paint, if there is any wet still underneath the rubber band or on the rubber band, will not draw up your vase. So be sure to just snip it. Otherwise, you've got it made. Do it in all different colors. Yellows, all the pastels, all the blues, all the pinks. It's spring. That's what it's all about. All these fun new colors. New season, new colors. Do it. So anyway, I hope that y'all enjoy your new spring home accent piece. We'll see you next time.